Hey, what's going on with the town? It seems, I don't know, like it's not doing so well.
Well, most kids leave. Well, why stick around unless you want to work in pesticides?
Pesticides?
These extremely deformed frogs were recently found nearby. Now, pollution, parasites, even UV rays have all been culprits in the past.
We don't know what is causing it, but we think it could be a problem.
Now, why would you say that?
Crow Wing County Sheriff's Department is searching for 34-year-old Tina Stevens.
You even know what you're looking for?
Not yet.
You get the hell back here!
Get inside!
If good fences make good neighbors, then the whole lake makes even better ones.